Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode I'm going to be teaching you how to use your plastic boning, just as you can see right there, for your structure styling. The next thing you are going to do is to draft out the shape of your structure. So right now I'm folding my fabric into two. So doing this, it depends on the exact structure you want, so you can style it anyhow you want, just like this. So I'm going to fold mine into two. So after cutting where I don't need, then what I'm going to do is to draft out my structure, like the kind of style I want. So I just want a simple style. Then I'm going to measure from here to determine the breadth of my structure. So here I'm just going to measure like 3. So the first thing you will do is to measure the length of your structure. You measure from the middle of your chest to the back of where your structure is stopping. So now what I'm going to do is, this is just serving as an illustration. Then I'm going to mark 10, just like this, for the length of my structure, making 20 after folding it into two. Then I'm going to come here to just mark 3. I will just mark 3 here. So you determine what you want. You can go as far as using 4. You can use 5, but it's advisable you use 4. Even if you want to plait it, you can use 5. It depends on what you want. Then what I'm going to be doing is to mark this out, make sure that it's straight, as you can see, like this. Then what I'm going to do is to just shape it into what I want. I will just go ahead to shape it into the exact thing I want. Then, you know, like I said that the length of my structure is 10. I'm going to add just 1 inch for the allowance. Then I'm going to rule it out like this. Then I'll go ahead to mark 5 here. So this is just the shape of my structure. I just want a simple one. Then I'm going to rule it out like this. Yours might not be in this shape. I'm just using this as an example. Yours might not be in this shape. Yours can be circle. You can decide to blend it, depend on what you just want. Then I'm going to go ahead to cut it out. Now after cutting it out, as you can see, so this is going to serve as my facing, while this is going to be outside. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out what I'm going to be placing at the top of my fabric. The next thing I'm going to do is to place this on top of this, just like this, the back to the back, just like this. Then I'm going to go ahead to go and sew it. After sewing it like this, as you can see, then I'm going to go ahead to place this on top before passing my boning. So after turning it like this, I'm going to go ahead to iron it to make it straight and smooth. After ironing it like this, I will just pass my boning like this, just like I have. So I created a space here where my boning is going to pass. So I'm going to go ahead to pass it. Then after passing my boning just like this, as you can see that this is coming out so well and beautiful, then you can go ahead to attach it to your dress. You can do it like this. You can do it any way you want. So you can as well, so I passed only 2 bonings. You can as well pass 3 boning. It depends on what you want and how thick you want it to be. Then that's all, guys. Please remember to share, remember to like. Have a nice day.